Okay, so there's a fallen tree, and there's some critters making an awful lot of noise. I'm trying to find them. Not sure what it is. It sounds like it's coming from like right here.